Next, I'm going to describe how to attach and remove the beverage holder. You will find the beverage holder in a plastic bag when you received your UPWalker. Remove the plastic bag from the beverage holder. The beverage holder can be attached to either one of the hand grips on the left or the right. First, unscrew the knob on the U-shaped tube clamp and remove the beverage holder from the U-clamp. Slide the U over the hand grip tube close to the armrest pad with a hole on the bottom and place the flat side of the U facing inward. Make sure the rubber sleeve remains inside the U. Slide the bolt on the beverage holder through the hole on the U with the beverage holder positioned on the outside and the knob on the inside of the UPWalker. Note that the U and holder have a match position key to rotate and lock the holder in the desired position. The star key should be on the outside of the unit when you attach the cup holder to it, and you may rotate the cup holder until it's in the desirable position.